So that's it. Now we created these three leave informations. Now we will apply any leave to any employee. So for applying leave, go to the leave application, then select new leave application. So from here you can choose the employee for who you are going to apply the leave. Choose employee, then right click, select add selection to list. So now there is a record. From here you need to choose which leave you are going to assign. Annual leave or sick leave, unpaid leave. I will choose unpaid leave, and date, from date 1st October, number of days 2 days. So now the employee, okay, now the employee will have unpaid leave from 1st October to 5th October and submit. So once you fill the leave information, you need to submit, and it will be shown in the leave application list. Then go to that record, open it. Once this record is submitted, it requires approval also. So after opening the record, go to the allow edit and click approve. So once it is approved, it will affect in the system. So now we have seen how to create the leave master and how to apply any leave to any employee. Now there is a separate report for to view the leaves. Go to the leave report, and you can select all the employees, or you can select a particular employees. I will choose all. From entry option, you need to choose HR works. Then you can select the date range. Status, it is the record is submitted, approved, or rejected. If you want to view only the rejected record or approved record or submitted records only, you can choose. And I will select all the leave types. So if you want to view only the annual leave employees or only the sick leave employees, you can choose that option. And from here you need to select all page numbers and click preview. So now you have the record and you have the report for the leave. So there is only one employee who is having the leave, employee code, name, and what is the leave information, and the start date, leave end date, and the status. So this report also can be exported to any format.